Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaylin Denise. Welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my Valentine's Day makeup look. I wanted to go for like definitely a red lip. I wanted to do more of like a reddish pinkish eye, like kind of not like a, oh my god, people are trying to die. Anyway, I wanted to do like a red lip with like a pinkish reddish eye. The colors that I thought were red turned out to be more like a purple, but you know what, it's okay because as long as, you know, we have the hair, we have the Fenty and NYX lip, we have the Fenty lip with a look, you know, like we have all of the essentials of like a sexy, beautiful Valentine's Day look. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, stay tuned, honey, but make sure first that you're subscribed to this channel, guys. We are having so much fun. I'm so grateful for 200 plus subscribers. Right now we're at like 220. Honestly, like, yeah. Let's get right on into the video.
I've been sipping since I've been too young. That lean, baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, I want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby.
Really quickly, I just want to show you guys all of the palettes that I'm going to be using because oh Jesus. So I want to do like a pinkish, like I'm gonna do like a pinkish reddish look, and a lot of my palettes have pink, but I want it to be more red. So I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution HD Socialite palette. I'm also gonna be playing around with this ColourPop Yes Please palette. I haven't played with it yet, but it has some really cute pinkish reddish colors. And then I literally have this Makeup Shayla Maybelline palette. It just has one red in it. And then lastly, another Makeup Revolution palette. It's called the Flawless 3 Resurrection. And I'm just going to be using some of the pinks and reds from there. So I don't have like one palette that I can really go to for like all the reds. So, and I don't really know what I'm going to be doing yet. So I'm just going to, you know, start going.
I won't love, I can't love. Unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want, woke up in the kitchen, say that I'll take this shit up and I'll baby. Drunk in love. Made out of
know I'm so extra. So in the light of Valentine's Day, you know, I got my little pink fur on. You can see the back is so freaking cute. It has red in it. And then my red lip, you know, the let's just get into this look. Come on. So this is my Valentine's Day look. This is my Valentine's Day fit, girl. You know I'm really not gonna be doing anything. I do have a boyfriend, but we just enjoy sitting in the house. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this makeup look, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.